Are you searching for the ultimate asset for your next project? Something that combines stunning realism with ready-to-use functionality? Your search is over. Introducing the 3D model of the Dynamax Isata 6, built on the imposing Ford F-600 2025 chassis. This isn't just a model, it's a work of digital engineering. We crafted every centimeter with millimeter precision, based on real blueprints and technical specifications, to deliver not just an object, but a faithful digital replica. With a smart polygon count of 276,000 faces, we achieved the perfect balance. Spectacular detail for your most demanding renders and solid optimization for flawless performance in game engines, virtual reality, or any real-time application. And organization is one of our greatest strengths. The entire model is meticulously separated by materials and sorted into logical folders. Do you need just the wheels? Just the chassis? Perfect. The rugged Ford F-600 2025 chassis is ready to be extracted and used in any other project you can imagine. An incredibly valuable asset all on its own. But we went beyond just a static model. We built this thing for action. The doors open, the steering wheel turns, everything is set up with intuitive parent controls for super easy manipulation and animation. We even replicated the Isata XS Cool-S feature. Its expansion system. The bedroom module extends 60 centimeters and the kitchen 40, just like the real thing, ready for you to animate and showcase in your projects. We've invested hundreds of hours into the modeling, topology, and UV process, so you don't have to. This is a monumental leap in quality and realism for your scenes. Imagine this model in your next simulation game, in an architectural virtual tour, in a cinematic production. The possibilities are endless. Save time, elevate your professional quality, and bring your most ambitious ideas to life. This is the model you've been waiting for. Find it available now on CG Trader, Render Hub, and the Blender Market. Links are in the description below. Click, purchase, and start creating.